Apple's latest event in Cupertino just turned heads, unveiling a dazzling array of new gadgets, including the iPhone 17 series, the ultra-slim iPhone Air, AirPods Pro 3, and a suite of cutting-edge wearables. But here's where it gets really interesting. These releases promise game-changing features that could stir debate among tech enthusiasts and everyday users alike. Kicking off the event, Apple introduced the iPhone 17 lineup, starting at $799 for the base model. This version upgrades to a vibrant 120Hz ProMotion display, delivering buttery smooth visuals that gamers and media lovers will appreciate. It also sports an enhanced selfie camera, designed to capture more flexible angles during recording, powered by the new A19 chipset, which boosts speed and efficiency. Yet it was the iPhone Air stealing the spotlight, Apple's thinnest and lightest phone ever, priced at $999. The Air packs power with the advanced A19 Pro chip, but due to its slim form, features just a single camera sensor. Despite its delicate look, Apple assures durability, with a titanium frame and ceramic-coated back that should withstand daily wear and tear. This bold move towards minimalism challenges the trend of multi-lens cameras and bulky builds, making you wonder, will users accept fewer cameras for more portability and elegance? Moving up the range, the Pro and Pro Max models, starting at $1,099 and $1,199 respectively, debut a redesigned back panel featuring a larger, more sophisticated camera hump. This houses an improved telephoto sensor capable of exceptional zoom. Although notably, the optical zoom has shifted from 5 times to 4 times, a decision bound to fuel debate about photographic priorities. These models also introduce a vapor chamber cooling system, an innovative technology that keeps the device running smoothly for extended periods and prolongs the battery life, a real boon for heavy users. On the wearable front, Apple gave us 3 new watches. The Apple Watch Series 11, retailing at $399, aims to be the thinnest and most comfortable Apple Watch yet. It boasts 5G support, brand new watch faces inspired by liquid glass aesthetics, and a scratch-resistant ceramic design, combining style with rugged usability. Real testimonials highlighting the watch's life-saving health features played a strong emotional chord, positioning the device as more than just tech, but a potential guardian of well-being. For the adventure seekers, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 stands out with a $799 price tag. It sports a bigger, brighter OLED display with ultra-thin bezels, pushing visual real estate without increasing size. Significantly, it includes satellite connectivity for emergency messaging and location tracking, a pioneering feature among smartwatches, alongside robust 5G support. Battery life is impressive here too, rated for a stunning 42 hours of continuous use, promising to keep up on the longest expeditions. The Apple Watch SE 3 is the budget-friendly option at $249. Now powered by an S10 chip and featuring an always-on display, something that was missing before. Notably, it introduces fast charging capabilities, where just 15 minutes of charging can deliver up to 8 hours of use, accommodating users with hectic lives who need quick power boosts. Audiophiles and casual listeners alike were also treated to the AirPods Pro 3 launch at $249. These wireless earbuds feature an advanced multi-port acoustic architecture, improving sound clarity for both music and calls. With twice the active noise cancellation of their predecessors and an extended battery life of up to 8 hours of ANC use, 4 hours more than before, they cater to the demands of modern users. A neat upgrade is Live Translation, leveraging Apple Intelligence for seamless multilingual conversations, and a range of 5 new ear tip sizes promises a more personalized and comfortable fit. And this is the part most people miss. Apple is clearly focusing on balancing raw hardware evolution with smart software improvements, such as AI-powered camera framing called Center Stage, first introduced for selfies to help creators effortlessly capture perfect shots. The inclusion of ceramic shield on the back of the iPhone 17 Pro and Air strengthens durability with less bulk, allowing for larger batteries, while eSIM-only support on the iPhone Air hints at Apple's push towards a more streamlined, future-ready experience. Controversially, some specs raise eyebrows. The iPhone 17 Pro's reduction from 5x to 4x optical zoom may disappoint some photography fans. Is Apple prioritizing design and thermal management over camera versatility? Additionally, the absence of temperature tracking in AirPods Pro 3, despite heart rate monitoring now included, leaves questions around missed health monitoring opportunities, especially with rivals offering such features. Looking ahead, Apple's upcoming devices are set for pre-order starting September 12th, with availability beginning September 19th. The event was also notable for a surprising nod to nostalgia with the return of bumper cases for the iPhone Air, a minimalist design choice previously abandoned but beloved by many. These announcements raise fascinating questions. Will Apple's strategy of prioritizing elegance, AI enhancements, and ecosystem integration over raw camera specs and explosive AI features satisfy users hungry for innovation? Is the increasing emphasis on health and safety tech turning wearables from luxury gadgets into life-saving essentials? And crucially, with the iPhone 17 Air embracing an eSIM-only design, are we truly on the dawn of a SIM card-free mobile era? And what might that mean for global users? We'd love to hear your take. Do you agree with Apple's design and feature choices? Or are there areas where you feel they've missed the mark? Jump into the conversation below and share your thoughts.